Honey, I am so sorry.
The bus passed by me.
What happened?
The bus passed by me.
The bus passed by you?
Yeah, because I was trying to get out the way.
Yeah. If I push your chair, you want to try to drive over to here?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. All right, try and drive it. Keep going. Right about there. Stop, 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 stop. Do what, ma'am?
Can you bring me over?
Yep, yep. Is that okay?
Yeah, can you call ECAT?
Do you want me to call EMS or you want ECAT?
ECAT answer when they send me a wheelchair truck.
Okay, okay. Hang on just 1 minute, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Dude, she was stuck in the rain, just stuck. Can you hold this for a minute? Yeah. Do you have a towel? I don't know if I've got one or not. I'm so sorry, honey. I don't have a big towel with me today. I will give it to you.
Will you call ECAT?
Yes, ma'am. I will call ECAT right now. Jesus Christ, it's awful. Well, show me on the citizen. She's asking for an ECAT bus that's wheelchair accessible. This poor lady's hosed, completely drenched. Could you try and contact them to see if they could help us on this one? She said the bus drove past her in the rain.